You're 50 plus, experienced, and ready to earn more without leaving home. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you real ways to make $500 a month from home, even if you're just getting started. First, you're not late, you're experienced. Many people over 50 are choosing flexible income streams that fit their life, schedule, and strengths. These ideas don't require tech mastery, just the willingness to start. Think about your skills: writing, organizing, customer communication, bookkeeping, even teaching. You can join platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or local Facebook groups and offer your services. Many freelancers make $15–30 per hour simply by helping clients with tasks they already know. Virtual assisting is one of the easiest ways to earn from home. People and small businesses need help with emails, scheduling, and social media. And you can do this with basic tools and a laptop. Starting small, even a few clients can quickly reach $500 a month. There are dozens of flexible side hustles, from pet sitting and tutoring online to selling digital products or guiding workshops. You can start part-time and scale up. Some people even sell printables, courses, or use marketplaces to earn recurring income. Remember, making money at home isn't one size fits all. It's about finding something you enjoy and being consistent. Confidence and action, not perfection, will get you to $500 a month. Want a deeper breakdown of exact steps for your first $500? Tell me, let's go, and I'll make that next video for you.